In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a debit card to your Cash App account. It's a quick and easy process, and you can follow along step by step on your phone. First, open your Cash App. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. That's the small circle that usually shows your photo or initials. This will take you to your account settings page. Now, scroll down a little until you see the option that says Linked Banks. Tap on that. Here, you'll see any bank accounts or cards that are already connected to your Cash App. If you don't have one yet, you'll see the option to Link Debit Card. Tap on it. At this point, Cash App will ask you to enter your debit card details. Start by typing in your card number. Then, enter the expiration date, the CVV, that's the 3-digit security code on the back of your card, and your zip code. Once you've filled in all the details, tap on Link Card. Cash App will take a moment to verify your card information. If everything checks out, your debit card will be successfully linked to your Cash App account. You'll now be able to use it to add money, send payments, or instantly cash out funds from your balance. If you already had a debit card linked before and you want to change it, you'll need to remove the old one first. Just go back to the Linked Banks section, tap on the card you want to remove, select Remove Card, and then you'll be able to add your new one. And that's it. Your debit card is now connected to your Cash App, ready to use for sending, receiving, and withdrawing money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.